What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the third episode of the cold email teardown series. In this video, I'm going to be writing cold email scripts for an SEO service targeting law firms. You're probably thinking SEO for law firms, that has to be impossible. I'm here to show you why it's actually not. And if you speak the lawyer's language in your cold emails, you can actually get really, really good results targeting law firms with an SEO offer. It's a big myth in the industry that law firms aren't receptive to cold emails. They will never answer your cold emails. I'm here to show you why they will if you write them properly and follow along in this video. If you're new here, I'm doing a new series where every week I tear down a cold email script and show you guys the reasoning behind why I write what I write so you can copy it into your own cold email campaigns. If you're back from a previous video, thank you for supporting once again. Drop a thumbs up, drop a subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's write some SEO cold email scripts targeting law firms. Let's get it. All right, let's get into it. So our offer is SEO for law firms. The benefit is helping law firms in Tampa get more divorce cases each month. Case study with Christian's divorce firm. We got him 10 divorce cases last month. Let's write a cold email script for this. How would I go about doing this? Well, let's see. So angle one, we want to open it with a personalization about the location. So, hi, first name. Noticed you're one of the top divorce firms in Tampa. Love the work, or let's say like your Google reviews are among the best I've seen, right? Why are we doing this? Because we know they're in Tampa, so we want to open it with a statement about Tampa so that the person on the other end goes, oh yeah, I am one of the top divorce firms in Tampa. Let's see what they have to say. I'm stroking their ego a little bit, getting them excited to read the email, and now we hit them with, I can put 10 extra divorce cases on your desk each month without spending a cent on TV ads or billboards. And you're like, TV ads or billboards? Why would you say that? Think about it from a lawyer's perspective who's been in the market for 30 years. They're used to using TV ads and billboards to find clients. So if you say that in your email, hey, you don't have to use TV ads or billboards, they're like, oh my God, that makes so much sense. You want to speak the language of the prospect you're reaching out to. You don't want to say without using meta ads or PPC ads, they'd be like, I don't know what that means. What is this guy talking about? But if you speak their language, divorce cases, spending a cent on TV ads, spending a cent on billboards, all of a sudden they're like, wow, this is intriguing and I want to learn more. You're even guaranteed 10 divorce cases per month, or else you don't pay. We want to throw in a guarantee, make it extremely obvious why they should say yes. And now we move into the CTA, open to a quick phone call to learn more. Shoot over your cell number, and I'll give you a call. Why are we saying cell number? Because guess what? Lawyers don't use, they might be 60 years old and don't know what Zoom is, so we want to pitch a phone call at their cell phone, right? Are you guys understanding the trend here? We want to speak the language of the person that we're reaching out to. Lawyers don't speak PPC and meta ads. They speak phone calls and billboards and divorce cases, right? So that's one example. Let's do a couple more here. Let's do, hi, first name. I'll cut the BS and get right to it. I respect your time. Why are we doing this? Because lawyers are busy and they appreciate the brevity. If you're really upfront and to the point, they're going to appreciate that. You can get 10 extra contested divorce cases. What is contested divorce? I have no idea, but I researched it using ChatGPT, and I found that contested divorce cases are a special kind of divorce case. So you want to pitch that in an email because the reader, the lawyer, is going to be like, oh yeah, contested divorces are one of my biggest, types of clients that I handle. You can get 10 extra contested divorce cases every month using our law firm divorce case generation system. Christians, what's the case study? Christina's. Christian's divorce firm just got 10 cases worth $45,000 last month using our system. Can't type today. Open to learning how we can help you do the same. 100% guaranteed. You see how it's still like kind of the same pitch but a little different? We're switching the opener. We're throwing in a case study here that we didn't include up here. Just kind of very subtly switching the different aspects of our offer in the email, right? So let's do one more, going over a third angle here, right? Angle 3. Let's do an opener that says something like, let's actually just do, hey, noticed. Let's make it even more casual. Hey, noticed you're one of the top divorce firms in Tampa. Let's just keep it at that. Reaching out because I can put 10 extra divorce cases on your desk each month without using TV ads, billboards, or social media, right? Because we're using SEO, which is Google, which is not social media, which is not TV ads, which is not billboards, right? We've worked with leading law firms like Christian Divorce. I'm kind of like giving myself bad juju here by saying I'm going to get divorced. But anyways, we've worked with leading law firms like Christian Divorce, Client Divorce, and Miami Divorce, right? Just random examples. And we can help you too. We can, apply the same system to company name. We even guarantee 10 extra divorce cases, guaranteed, or you don't pay us. Would more divorce cases, 100% risk-free, be interesting to you? Right? So we're really honing in on the fact that, hey, we have a bunch of experience, we can get you 10 extra divorce cases, and we guarantee it. Do you want to learn more, right? The only reason I'm mixing it, I'm very confident that this angle would work super well, but I'm mixing it up a little bit just to give myself the chance of variance. Like, hey, what if this angle does outperform the other ones? Then it does, and we get better results, right? So I always want to test slightly different things in my copy, right? Get a little bit unorthodox with it. Would 10 more divorce cases, or would more divorce cases risk-free be interesting to you? That's an unorthodox CTA, but I'm going to test it because it might work, right? So let's do 2 follow-ups here to give you guys some extra sauce. Follow-up 1, we can get... So, one thing that I love to do is write my cold emails like a billboard, right? If you drive by a billboard 10 times in a month, it's going to say the same thing every single time you drive by it, right? But with cold email, a lot of people want to switch up what they talk about, which is just not correct. You want to make it the same exact thing in every email, right? You want to take the same hook and just repackage it, right? So here we have 10 divorce cases on your month, or on your desk each month, with an opener, a personalization, a guarantee, right? Email 2, I'm just going to repeat the same hook. Same exact thing as email 1, because likely the person didn't read it, they didn't respond to it, or they didn't even remember it. So if I just restate it, now they're like, oh shoot, yeah, that is interesting, let me learn more, right? I can put 10 extra divorce cases on your desk each month without spending a cent on TV ads or billboards. You're even guaranteed 10 extra divorce cases, or else you don't pay a cent, right? Would you be open to a quick phone call to learn more? So once again, repackaging the exact same hook as above and making it a follow-up, right? Because once again, billboards, they say the same thing every time you drive by them. Why would your cold emails not follow up. A billboard is one of the best marketing tools of all time. I'm going to stick to what a billboard does and make my cold emails the same thing every single time. Follow up 1, they don't answer. Follow up 2, I'm going to say, I recorded a quick video explaining how I can put 10, same thing, copy paste. Mind if I share it here? Right? So this same hook is being used almost everywhere. I'm just packaging it up differently. I'm following up with it differently. I'm pitching a Loom video with it, right? So every step of the way, I'm using the hook of I can put 10 extra divorce cases on your desk. One of the biggest takeaways, if you're still watching, is don't sell leads to lawyers. Sell them divorce cases. Sell them child custody cases. Sell them personal injury cases, workplace malpractice cases. Don't sell a plumber leads. Sell a plumber toilet repairs and pipe installations. Don't sell a landscaper leads. Sell him a mulch installation job. Sell him a 1 acre lawn mowing job, right? Sell them things that they want to buy. No lawyer wakes up and says, I need more leads. They say, I need more divorce cases to represent them, right? Speak their language. If you don't know how to do it, go on ChatGPT, ask your customers, call up a couple law firms and say you're a student looking to do some research about marketing. There's plenty of ways to figure out what language these guys speak. You want to be able to do it because I guarantee you divorce cases is going to perform better than leads every single time. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you want me to write your cold email scripts one-on-one, I offer 30-minute consulting calls. Click the link in the description to book 30 minutes with me. It is a paid call. You will get a 5-step email sequence written for you with A/B tests and ongoing consultations to make sure that it works. If you want to add $10,000 in monthly revenue to your business, guaranteed, or your money back, join Client Ascension, the best coaching program on the internet. Let me switch hats real quick. The best coaching program on the internet. If you haven't heard about Client Ascension, I don't know what you're waiting for. We host events every year. We have the best community on the planet. Click the link in the description for Client Ascension. If you want to buy my hat, this is my brand. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, guys. And with that being said, appreciate you all for being here. I hope these are valuable to you. Drop a comment below with what I should do next. Thank you for watching. Drop a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.